Welcome to NFS Traveler. Merry Christmas 2026. Creating a beautifully festive table and dining room for Christmas dinner is all about blending warmth, elegance, and personality into one cohesive space that delights your guests from the moment they walk in. Start by choosing a color scheme that sets the tone: classic red and green for traditional charm, gold and white for a luxurious feel, or muted tones like sage, blush, and champagne for a modern, understated aesthetic. Once you've selected your palette, build your base with thoughtfully layered linens, a textured or patterned tablecloth, a runner that adds visual direction, and placemats or charger plates that frame each setting. These foundational layers immediately elevate the table's look and help anchor the rest of your decor. For the centerpiece, think in terms of width, height, and texture, creating a visually dynamic arrangement without blocking sightlines between guests. Fresh greenery like eucalyptus, cedar, or pine offers natural fragrance and timeless beauty, especially when woven around candles, ornaments, pine cones, or small decorative figurines. If you prefer a more polished look, metallic elements gold, silver, or rose gold can be incorporated through candle holders, vases, or sculptural pieces. Candles play an essential role in crafting ambience. Mix pillar candles, tapered candles, and tea lights in varying heights to create a soft, romantic glow that enhances the dining experience. LED candles are a safe alternative, especially when children or pets are present, and modern options flicker realistically, adding the same charm without risk. Next, focus on the dinnerware and place settings, which can transform even simple meals into a special occasion. Coordinated plates, bowls, and flatware in complementary tones create a cohesive look, while cloth napkins folded neatly or wrapped with festive napkin rings bring a sense of refinement. Personalized place cards serve as both practical and decorative elements, adding thoughtfulness and helping the evening feel organized and intimate. Consider including small, meaningful touches at each seat, such as mini ornaments, wrapped chocolates, sprigs of greenery, or handwritten holiday notes. Glassware, too, plays an important role, mixing elegant wine glasses, water goblets, and even specialty holiday glassware can add sparkle and sophistication. In the dining room itself, extend the festive spirit beyond the table to create a fully immersive setting. Decorate the sideboard or buffet with arranged greenery, lanterns, framed holiday prints, or a cluster of candles to bring warmth to the room's perimeter. A garland draped along a mantel, doorway, or windowsill adds depth and ties the space together, while fairy lights intertwined throughout the room create a soft, magical shimmer. Consider placing a small decorated tree in a corner of the dining room or using hanging ornaments from chandeliers or drapery rods for a whimsical touch. If your dining area is adjacent to the kitchen or living room, carry your color palette and decorative style throughout these connected spaces to maintain visual harmony. For a cozy and inviting atmosphere, pay attention to scent as well. Subtle holiday fragrances like cinnamon, clove, balsam, or vanilla set the mood without overwhelming the senses. Scented candles, simmer pots, or essential oil diffusers can gently infuse the space as guests arrive. Lighting plays a significant role as well. Dim overhead lights or use warm bulbs to create an intimate environment, allowing candles and accent lighting to take center stage. Textures also make a big difference in elevating the dining experience. Incorporate soft fabrics like velvet ribbons, linen napkins, knit throws on dining chairs, or plush seat cushions to add comfort and visual richness. Thanks for watching. I hope you will support us.